Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be a market review request. Shout out to Harry Carolambis for submitting the request for DNT District0x. So let's get down to it. So I've been pretty excited for District for quite some time now. I just believe that they have great projects that they're going to continue working on and put out. With the whole laser eye movement that started happening, that was actually a meme factory project that they released. There was a meme factory meme that, of course, went viral, if you will, and it became a huge trend in the industry. So they're already starting to become viral. So it's cool to see District continuing to grow and continuing to implement different projects. Their digital marketing strategies have increased. So very excited for the team to continue with their research and developments, and really want to see how they play out within these upcoming years. I really believe that District0x DNT is a sleeping giant. I do believe that this is going to be a huge project, but let's get down to the analysis on this. So right now, if we want to look at the volume over here on the left hand side, previous trap volume, immediately my attention shifts to this candle over here from December. I do feel that they're going to make a hit towards these yearly lows that are over here from January, maybe around this little uh, 8 cent area. So it's a possibility. Right now it looks like they're consolidating downwards. They may continue down, break this area here of consolidation, come down, pin the zero point 0.8, and then reverse to the upside. Ideally is what I'd like to see. I'd love for them to bounce off of this EMA if it continues over here to this in this little zone over here. So we'll see how this plays out. If that does move to this zone, and then this other EMA here, once they cross, then from there, ideally that should be locked, but we'll see how this plays out. I do feel that this is going to be a bit of a consolidation before that pullback. So we'll see how this plays out. Overall, I am still bullish with these markets long term. These pullbacks are just part of the game. I did personally move some district around that 28 cent area. I got in at 4 cents. So I moved those funds around and got into other projects, which should also boom. So we'll see how those play out. But overall, RSI right now is underneath the 50 zone, which usually again indicates that bearish uh, trend. But again, I feel that just the trend short term, I don't feel that this is going to be a long term trend. We could see that there's a lot of trap volume over here in these areas. If we want to look at this bigger picture, which I feel that they just dipped right back into this from this high that they, or from this area that they had previously created. They trapped above in January right over here until about May, and then they dip back down into that consolidation zone. So if this repeats, then we should have this dip into this zone, and then eventually once we start to shift upwards, this will start to become a new consolidation area over here on the left hand side at around that 40 cent area. So we'll see how this plays out. Again, overall, I'm still very bullish on these markets. I'd love to see how this starts to move. Um, Over here in January 2017, 2018 is when they had created. December 2017, 2018 is when they had these highs. Then we hit them again this year. But I do feel that this year we're going to break these highs and reach above this 50 cent area and then start to shift upwards. So price should continue moving to the upside again long term. Um, and then we should start to play around in this area over here, and then this will become this new consolidation zone if we want to start to look at this at a bigger picture. Of course, everything doesn't just move upwards, but just because we're so early into this space and District is continuing to improve and actually working on projects and um, bringing value to the actual blockchain infrastructure, to everything they've got going on. I mean, individuals are finding opportunities with ETH lands, and they're continuing to ramp that up. So we'll see how this plays out, guys. If you have any projects you want reviewed, drop them in the comments. I'm more than happy to get that done for you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell a friend. And when you do subscribe, make sure to click the bell to turn on your notifications so you do not miss a single update. All right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.